Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and today we're going to make Homestead style pizza, so stick around. Alright guys, thanks for coming back. So today we are going to be making Homestead style pizzas, and we're going to be doing it on the Pitboss. So we're going to throw a bunch of stuff together, we're going to put it on here, and we're going to get it in the pit. Let's start it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some sauce on here. We're going to lather it up nice. Gotta have the sauce. Alright, so we got the sauce on. Now let's get going to the meat. So this is some of the sausage that I made on the pit earlier, and since I know some people, they don't like sausage, we're going to do half of the sausage on this one. Then we're going to do some pepperoni. And today we're going to be making 2 of these pizzas on the Pitboss. Alright, so there's the pepperoni. Now let's throw some cheese on it. And then we're going to take some of the kale, freshly picked, put some tomato on, this is what I've already pre-cooked as far as the veggies. So here's our onions and our mushrooms and our peppers. And I also have some of our asparagus that I seen sticking up. So we're gonna put that on there too. So last but not least, we want to put some of the black olives on. The moon says more cheese. Okay. And because we live in Wisconsin, we gotta have more cheese. And this is just straight mozzarella. Hey, you two, quiet. Alright guys, so the cheese is done, and for the most part we are going to throw in, we like cilantro, so we're going to top our pizza off with some cilantro. There you guys have pizza. So guys, we're gonna go and we're gonna start the pit up, and we're gonna crank up to 400 degrees. And we're gonna get this puppy in there. Stick around. Alright guys, we're gonna check the box. We still got pellets in there. We're gonna crank this up to 400 degrees. And I wanna make sure that my smoke, yep, we're on 7. So we're gonna fire up the grill. Alright guys, so if no one has ever noticed what it's like to fire up the Pitboss It is pretty extreme because the smoke rolling out of there is pretty cool to watch and see for the first time. Flames kicked up, and now I'm going to show you another trick. I'm going to shut the sear off. And I'm literally hitting the grates with paper towel. That's it. Bring it back when she's up to temp, and we put the pizza on her. Alright guys, we are up to temp, and now it's time to put the pizza on. Alright, let's throw the first one on. Now about 30 minutes, we're going to come back and check on that pizza. It's time to check on the pizza. Let's do a little rotating. Good things come to those who wait, guys. So I'll tell you what, this smells delicious. It's amazing on here right now. And the flavor that's coming off of this right now, I hope the pizza tastes as good as what's coming off of it. Amazing. So we will bring you back when we do the final taste test when we pull it off. But it is looking really, really good right now. I am liking the Pitboss, guys. I'm finding out I can do a lot of different stuff on there. I want to do some breads on here and a bunch of different stuff. I'm not going to just be cooking meat and everything else. I'm going to try some other stuff and see if this thing is what it's cracked up to be. So we'll bring her back when she's going to be just about ready to pull off, and then we'll sit down for the taste test. We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, the first half hour's up on that first pizza. We'll see how this looks. The smell coming off of this is amazing. First pizza's on. We're gonna move the second one here. Very good flavor, guys. You got all the different stuff in there. It's just an explosion of flavor. The cilantro, the peppers, the sausage that we made. Everything is just delicious, guys. I hope you can try this out. This is really, really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please hit that thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. You guys all take care. God bless. Hehehehe